Happy Friday! Yeah, I just sounded like my mom. Hi everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So anyway, today guys, I'm gonna scratch my head and do an empties video. And my husband is gonna be thrilled to get rid of this because he's like, why are we collecting our garbage? Well, because I said so. And that means it'll be out of here soon, right? So anyway guys, we're gonna go from top to bottom and hopefully make this a quick one. Shampoo and conditioner. I actually only saved one bottle because they're the same except for, you know, there's a word. So we use the Biolage Color Last shampoo and conditioner because, you know, I gotta cover up the grays, whites, whatever, and I kind of want to make that stuff last. I actually don't even wash my hair every day because I need to make it last. Otherwise, you know, I look like an old hag. Maybe not. So even though I have a boatload of brushes, I have a ton. Seriously, a ton. I wash them all the time. And I use Castile soap. Now this one is from Equate. See, that's Walmart brand. Pure Castile soap. This is a whole lot cheaper than Dr. Bronner's. And it smells like lavender. So, and it works just fine. So right now I'm not going to repurchase it currently because I have a bunch of hotel soap. A ton. And I love how that works too. And I don't have to pay for it. Well, I mean, I do. Because it's in the hotel that we pay for. But you know what I mean, right? We're not paying extra. Depends on where we're staying. I don't like that I'm using Logic. Alright. And as far as other shampoo-y bathroom stuff, I bought a kit last year that had a natural, or no, Macadamia Professional shampoo and conditioner. This is the shampoo, and what this does is, what this was in this kit is, my hair was super dry at the time and it was for marketed towards brides, and well, at the time I was doing anything because I was like, I'm a bride, oh my gosh. Well, you know what, I'm a wife and the clothing is way more comfortable. Way more comfortable. So yeah, that's been used. So in that kit there was a shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask, and I ended up cutting off all my hair anyway. Well, not all. I mean, I still have hair. I'm gonna start rambling now. I need to stop. Alright guys, and I saved a deodorant because I wanted you to be proud of me. I don't stink. I take advantage of that stuff. In fact, there's still a little bit on the little thingy that pops up. I might need to get back in there and use that up. And by need, I mean, I just like the fact that I'm saving money. Kind of. I'm cheap, guys. I'm cheap. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is a couple skincare items. Juice Beauty has these little sample kits where you get moisturizer, eye cream, and a serum. It's like 50 bucks. It's way, honestly, more cost effective to buy 2 of those than to buy each of the products. And I really like Juice Beauty. I love the scent. It smells so clean and botanically, or I think it smells like citrus. And I love citrus. I love it. Okay, so yeah, I used up, that was the anti-wrinkle booster serum, I believe. At least the little sample kit thingy, sample. Yeah, if you guys have ever used Juice Beauty, what's your favorite product? I have normal bordering on dry skin, especially during the winter here in Iowa. It's just uncomfortably cold and there's no moisture in the air. Don't worry, we make up for that in the summer. Stick around, I'll complain about that too. So humid. And where I live is surrounded by cornfields, and that adds more moisture. Rambling again, aren't I? Sorry about that. Okay, so confidence in a cream. It confidence in a cream. I used up a whole one, which may or may not be amazing to you, but I've never actually used a whole anything. I usually get bored with it and like, meh. All right, guys, down to the last of the bottom of the basket. I used up a whole primer. This is the Rimmel Fix and Perfect primer. I used it all of it. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I also used all of a setting spray, the Milani Make It Last. Guys, I feel like a grown-up. I've used all of something. Like a grown-up who wears makeup, which didn't happen a year ago. It was all brand new and all exciting, and now here I am. I'm on YouTube, playing with makeup and talking to myself in front of a camera. I've come so far. Okay, I used up an It CC Cream sample. This is when I tried it, and now I'm hooked, and I have two that I mix the illumination. I'm actually wearing it today. I'm mixing the illumination and the regular. And guys, this was in my project pan. Well, okay, this was two, but I used a whole foundation. Holy mackerel. It is the Maybelline Instant Avery Wine Foundation. I've used a whole foundation. So, yeah. Who's excited with me? Are you excited? Am I over caffeinated? I did have a Death Star full of coffee. Death Star mug. I'll bring it in sometime. Alright guys, that's all we have for today. So if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And if you have constructive criticisms, make sure it's constructive. Because, you know, your mom might see this. Well, my mom might see this, and she might know your mom and tell on you. There's a mom club, right? Or was she fibbing to me all these years? Damn it, I'm gullible. Alright guys, so if you like what you see here, like, subscribe, comment below. Oh, and if the word subscribe is still red, click on it. That means you weren't subscribed. Yeah, the one down below says subscribe. Click on it. Heck, while you're there, click on the bell icon thingy. The, you know, ding, bell. Because that means you'll get a notification every time I upload. So, yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.